Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a cup holder. Let's go ahead and take it out. This is what we have inside the box. And here is our user manual. Let's see. We can put it just right there. And there are 3 placements right there. Let's see. Here is the rubber silicone. And we have all the tools we need. If you want it to be in the middle, you can just leave it like that. But sometimes you don't have enough place inside the cup holder in the car. And you can just basically move it to the right or left. Alrighty, there are 3 slots right there. You can just put it over here, and I'm just gonna put it right there. See? Let's put this inside. Now we're good to go. There are 3 placements. 1 at the left side, 1 in the middle, 1 at the right side. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use it like this, and I can use the other sections. Let's see in the car. Let's go ahead and try it here. This one is very small. You see, you can put this one, there's no problem. But when it comes to big water bottle, how are you gonna put it? It's too big. This is what you need. Basically, let me put it right here. Yep, that's wonderful. And let me try this one first. This is okay, but how about this big one? See, right now it is very safe. I can definitely suggest this product if you want to carry big stuff or water bottle. This is the one you can use it. See, this is the biggest one probably. Still, this is fitting. Let me go ahead and try it on this car. I'm just gonna use this side like that. Now, that's awesome. And let's try to use this. That's good, very safe. And this is the one mainly I'm using. That's it. This is very good, and I'm very happy with this product. But when I try to take it out, it's a little bit hard. And what I can do is I can just remove these parts, whichever is good for you. I'm just gonna remove 2 of them, and let's see if it's gonna be easy or not. This is easy.